My name is Sahidaja. I'm from ECEC section. Today my topic is efficient floating point division for digital system signal processing application. Introduction. Floating point division is an expensive operation for processors in digital signal processing. The basic of division operation is finding the reciprocal of divisor. We present a reciprocal algorithm with 4 multiplication for a single accuracy and 6 for double accuracy. The algorithm specifically includes bit-hack operation and floating point addition, multiplication and fused multiply add operation. The processed approach improves two characteristics of division process: accuracy and number of steps. This second characteristic has a different impact on the division operation performance time and on the amount of equipment required for hardware implementation. Changes of floating point division. Division is one of the more difficult of four arithmetic operations in processors, microcontroller and the field programmable gate arrays, which are used for DSP. Division or square root extraction can be used for the fixed point and floating point numbers. All modern DSP devices execute division in floating point format. For example, TMS 320F2807X Piccolo microcontroller have a built-in IEEE 754 single precision floating point unit microcontroller. Microcontrollers such as the STM32 Cortex M4 and STM32 Cortex M7 are equipped with single precision FPUs for division. However, many modern floating point microcontrollers such as those of Cortex A53 and Cortex A57 has fast, accurate reciprocal instruction like SSE instructions in a single processing unit. For the initial approximate, which are then improved with the help of Newton-Raphson iteration. SSE is a set of instructions for general processor. This instruction gives us the ability to perform, for example, reciprocal over several process cycles. Some modern FPGAs also have set of single precision floating point blocks for adding, multiply and FMA operations that can be used to build division units. Therefore, it is an important develop appropriate algorithm to perform division operation for platforms that support floating point computing and that do not have hardware division unit or the proper instruction for the division. In this article, the reciprocal of the divisor simple algorithm, which are the basics for division, are proposed. The algorithm belongs to the group of iterative algorithm. They initially receive an approximate using so-called magic constant and are the used to implement an iterative process with Newton-Raphson formulas. The reciprocal algorithms are suitable for software and hardware implementation. Example, in microcontroller, the lack of an FPU and in FPGAs. Known algorithms and algorithm which a magic constant for the implementation of reciprocal function 1 by x for float type number x was described for the first time, and it consists of following code. This code write in C++, which we refer to as the reciprocal. In line 3 we convert bit of variable x to float I. In the line 4 we determine an initial approximate, then subject to the iteration process of the reciprocal, where r equal to 0x7f 000000 is a magical constant for IEEE 754 implementation. In line 5 we convert bit of the variable into I to a variable y. Line 6 and 7 consist two classic subsequent Newton-Raphson iteration. If the maximum relative error of calculation is designed by Dmax, then the accuracy of the algorithm is only control bit. Better accuracy with magical constant is achieved in N7 and 8. 16.5 correct bit. However, we improved the algorithm with Newton-Raphson iteration in 9. The accuracy of algorithm is approximately max 1, and graphics of initial approximate or relative error of this algorithm as shown in example. The magic constant for double type numbers is described in 7 and 8. Fewer error occurs for the second constant at the maximum 4.2371011 d equal to dollar minus level, which is 34.4 correct bit after this classic Newton-Raphson iteration, and at max 22.210 16d equal to dollar, which is 52 correct bits after 4 classic Newton-Raphson iteration. This article discusses the construction of reciprocal algorithm with dimension number of multiplication without loss of accuracy. The proposed algorithm to provide full accuracy in a single precision format, the first iteration should be executed using a modification of y1 equal to k1 y0 into 2 plus k2 minus x y0. The second iteration uses the classic formulation y2 equal to y1 2 minus x y1, the classic Newton-Raphson formula, which can execute result if an execute enough initially approximate y0 is used in it. The formula has quadratic convergence and the number of correct bit is doubled. If the initial approximate is as then it is possible to modify a classical formula similar to get small same exact result, as well as in the case described previously. It is necessary to find optimal values of the magic constant r. Its unknown parameter t were determined for 2 minus h power 14 and the coefficient k2. Although coefficient k1 can be optimized to minimize the error of the approximate similar as variable t and k2. We have chosen to set k1 equal to 2 because of the multiplication by 2 can be efficiently implemented by 2 additional or by increasing the exponent without the need for float point multiplication. The following method should be used of the first Newton-Raphson iteration with linear initial approximate y0. The variable y1 is describing the polynomial of this order. To provide the smallest error, y1 should be best uniform approximate polynomial. The best uniform approximate for the reciprocal is the polynomial of the third order in the form p3 equal to alpha x cube plus beta x square plus gamma x plus psi, where r x r belongs to a comma b. Alpha equal to 128 by q, beta equal to 256 into a plus b by q, gamma equal to minus 32 into fa square plus 14ab plus 5b square by q, psi equal to 32 into 7ab square plus 7a square b plus a cube plus b cube by q, and the q equal to a power 4 plus b power 4 plus ab into 28 into a square plus b square plus 70ab. We obtain this polynomial by performing a minimization of the error. Solving the two equations by p11 equal to 31 and by p12 equal to 32 will yield the two pair of meaning for t and k2. The details are omitted here because of special implementation. We can be sure that t equal to 0.391138972948632956 ensure the lowest possible value of relative error of the first iteration carried out by the value of t and magical constant actual floating number will take the form ox7eb210d8 and k2 equal to minus 0.585691542659989199. Then after rounding becomes y1 equal to 2y0 into 1.41430846 minus xy y0. C code for the proposed algorithm. The multiplication operation in the line 2 is replaced by an application operation. Figure 3 and 4 shows graphically of the initial approximate y01 and y02 and 1 by x are the relative error for the suggested algorithm accordingly. The large bias visual in figure 3 is eliminated by the modified Newton refs and iteration without additional multiplication operation. The maximum relative error are max 1. However, the most accurate results are given by the following implementation of the algorithm. The second iteration is performed by using the operation fmath. The fmath use gives an opportunity to reduce the maximum relative error of the both sides to value max 5.89510 C code for hardware implementation of the algorithm in FPGA is the calculation for integer variable 1 and 2. This conversion in float can be conducted simultaneously in this case, and that algorithm includes only 4 multiplication operations without lookup table for initial approximate. This C code for double precision is the algorithm has maximal relative error in the whole range of normalized double type numbers. Dmax equal to 0 plus Dmax equal to minus 22.21016 are correct bits. The technical specification of computer running the experiment are allowed Windows 7 64-bit operating system and Intel Pentium and G850 with 2.90 GHz CPU, 4 GB memory using MS Visual C++ Compiler 12.0. Conclusion: we have described simple floating point division, which is based on the reciprocal of the divisor, and presented reciprocal algorithm with 4 multiplication for single precision and 6 multiplication for double precision. The proposed algorithm belongs to the iterative algorithm group. They initially receive an approximate using the so-called magic constant and then use it to implement an iterative process with the Newton-Raphson formula. Improved accuracy of the proposed algorithm compared with known algorithm was achieved by reducing the magnitude scope of the relative errors of the initial approximate, and as a consequence that modification of the first iteration for all normalized floating point number. Both algorithm has maximal relative error of max 76.1108 and maximum 22 point accordingly. Thank you.